Okay, now it's time to put this all together, and we're going to start off with, of course, winter. And what I'm going to do is find the center and just split it in half. So I have 6 and 6, like that. I'm going to add a jump ring and 1 link of chain, just to give it enough room to dangle a little bit. I was hoping I didn't have to do this, but I do. It does slip over the hoop. My hands won't let me do that anymore. But I still did this. All right, now let's get that 6 and 6 again. Right there. I'm going to slip a jump ring on. I will try to put everything that I used on this, even though it's not a full tutorial. Everything is from Amazon, except obviously for my cat's, collar. And now I'm just going to close this up the right way, even though I always do it the wrong way. Use 2 if you have to. And you hear that? It means you did a good job. I don't hear that often. I always have to mess around with it. Okay, now we're going to get another jump ring. And we're going to put it on here. Actually, let's get spring. We have to find the middle of the top. The way I'm going to do it, I'm going to eyeball it. And because everything is weighted differently, it depends. I hope that I can get it to hang really nice. Oh, that's not nice. Okay, let's try. Sorry guys, I have to hold it up so that I can see it. Oh, that's not good. Well, I guess if I turn my head sideways, it would be good. Okay, I think I have it right in between this yellow and green one. I'm going to leave my wire while I open up a jump ring. A little bit, not too much. I'm not going to take that off yet. I just don't want for the jump ring to be able to jump over the top row. What happened? I lost it. My hands are not doing good. Every knuckle hurts. That's okay. I'm old. Come on now. Okay, that was painful. Now I'm just going to take the jump ring and I'm just going to put my little chain link through. I hope you can see my hands. Like that. I don't want to lose the end of my jump ring. I can hear the news in the background from the front room. Oh, it clicked. It means I did a good job. The snow that we're getting. Oh my gosh. It's supposed to be the worst storm here in New England than in 10 years. So I'm not excited about it. So now I am excited about this. Now we have winter and spring, and that one little link connecting the two made it so that it hangs nice and even. Okay, so now we're going to repeat it and go from, oh, he's kidding. I thought he sneezed. Okay, we're going to, sorry about that, guys. We're going to separate these 6 and 6, and I'm not prepared. I need to open up a jump ring. This should take about 15 to 20 minutes at the most, I hope. Well, I didn't want to do that. Now it's time to connect our 4 seasons, and I did open this one first. I'm going to put my jump ring in between 6, and now it moved. There we go. I'm going to take one of these. I made this with 2 8mm and 1 6mm. And I used a eye pin. That one there is gold. And it has one loop, and then I just use my tool to close it up. There we go. Nope. Now that looks good, I think. All right. That is going to be really pretty, I think. Okay, now we got to get spring. Now we have to get in the middle. So what I'm going to do, oh, I already put that jump ring on. Try to save a little bit of time. Actually, I have to open it. I was going to use the little piece of chain, and I decided, you know what? You forgot that you made those things. Always take out enough, because I'm not that good at this. Now I hope I can get it back where it was. I think it's right there. Let me just double check. Yeah. So what I did on her little tag, I put a butterfly on the back. That just had all her personal information. I just put it there. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I'm just going to, I might hang it in the front hall on the inside. Okay, this is about right. So let's get this. We're going to put that right there. I don't want to get it caught in the wire. There we go. Make sure I get them all facing front. Let's see if I can grab that. Oops, that's not what I wanted to grab. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Let's try it again. Can't do it. There we go. 2 hours later. Now let's not lose it. That looks good. Let's take a look. Oh, I think it is pretty, guys. Look at that. It's elegant for Miss Abby. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's separate them. Right there. I'm gonna get my jump ring ready. Okay, I've opened up some of these jump rings because they give me grief to get on the hoop. So let's put this one on. There we go. Yeah, it's not going to be nice. My hands have been out of focus, I'm sorry. Right now, this is the best I can give you. Still not good from the fall. Alright, let's take a look. I'll look first and then I'll show you. Hopefully it's right. Oh, that's so pretty. It is right. I'm gonna fix the roots afterwards, close them back up. That's easy enough to do. Okay, now we're gonna take Summer and we're gonna find the center of the top of the tree with this piece of wire that I can't pick up. There we go. First I'll just eyeball it and see if I can get it. It's all weighted differently, especially this one. That's a heavy, oh no, that's not good. That could work. So what I'm going to do now is get a jump ring that I already have opened. I'm going to put it right where I have my wire, the marker, hopefully. I can't even see if it was in the right place. Now let's take a look after I drop it. Oh my gosh. I'll show you in a minute. I want to make sure I have them all facing the right way. And I do. Sometimes I don't. So now we have a winter. I think this just makes it so much more elegant. Spring, summer. Now we're ready for fall. This is really giving me grief. It's hard for me to get the jump ring and not have it move because I have these on it, but it's really, really worth the aggravation. I just want to get it done. Oops. There we go. I'm going to take a look and make sure it's the right way. Oh, it is the right way. I feel like I'm even surprised. This one took a long time because it was right after she died, you know? And went to heaven. Okay, so now we have this little kitty. It's just a little plastic with like a sticker on it, but I think it is a nice representation of Miss Abby. I don't know what that's supposed to be at the bottom. It looks like a heart. Let me see if you can see that. A cute little keychain. They have them with all different cats on it. So with this, I might grab my jump ring. Okay. I think I want her to hang this way. I'll just put this, I just took the keychain off and one of their jump rings. I wouldn't be able to have gotten it on here. No, hopefully. Okay, are we done? I'll just move this. Now that Finn is all over my, trying to get all over my workspace, I can't leave anything out. Oh, look at that. How adorable. Okay, guys, I appreciate everything that, all the support that you've given me throughout this really hard time in my life. And with that, let's just take a final look. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Nice thing about the 4 seasons, they all stack up. Even if you do it in a bracelet, as long as you put a little dangle in the middle, or even 2 jump rings. All right, I will see you for the next project. Bye, guys.